Welcome home, everyone. Welcome home. I am giving resources out today for free home repair assistance. So if you know anyone, especially the seniors, the disabled, and the veterans, please pass this information along. So I'm going to talk about a few states today. If I do not mention your state, please leave it in the comments. I will get to it on what I have found. Or I may have already covered your state. So you want to go back through my affordable housing playlist, look through my recent videos as far as free home repair assistance. Okay, guys? So moving on, we're going to talk about North Carolina. If you guys are in the greater Charlotte area, you can contact 980-236-0979. So if you know someone or are a low-income household, you can call to see if you are eligible. If you are in the Triangle area of North Carolina, contact 919-341-5980. And if you are in Pitt County or know someone, have them contact 252-814-0600. Moving on to North Dakota. If you are in the Fargo-Moorhead area, contact 701-356-7836. If you are in the greater Bismarck area, Greater Bismarck-Mandan area, contact 701-221-3232. All right, moving on to Ohio. If you're in Dayton, you can contact 937-223-4893. If you're in the Northeast Ohio area, contact 330-773-4100. Moving on to our next state of Oklahoma. If you are in the Kiamichi country, you can contact 918-917-9630. Oklahoma City people, you can contact 405-607-0464. Moving on to our next state of Oregon. If you're in the Portland area, you can contact 503-206-7993. If you are in the Rogue Valley area, you can contact 541-261-2037. If you're in the Washington County area, you can contact 503-644-4544. All right. That's all that I have for you guys today. If you know any information, please leave it in the comments and drop your state, anything that you're looking for. If it's for housing, anything, any other resources, let me know in the comments, guys. But like, share, subscribe, and pass this information along. All right? I'll see you on that future video with the other states coming up. Much love.